Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to make an apple and a basket in Blender. I have used this same method to make the assets for my game Apple Harvest, so let's begin. Start by deleting the default cube and add a UV sphere. Scale it up a bit and hit tab to enter the edit mode. Select the top part and shrink it down. Do the same with the bottom and raise it up. Then select the edges and shrink it down so that it looks like an apple. You can add your own variations so it looks more real and has an apple-like shape. Then select some of the vertices and distort it a bit so it becomes uneven on the surface. Click some of the vertices and then hit select random, so it will select randomly some vertices and you could move them together so that it gives an uneven surface. Then select the top view and make it go down a bit, which will be the foundation of our stem. Then shrink the size of the top part and delete the faces. Then extrude it below. Then extrude it above so it forms a shape of a stem. You could even shrink the size and adjust it however you want. Then select the top edges and hit F to fill the blank space. Now just to give the surface little bit more unevenness, I select some of the points and make them raise up and distort the shape a little. Now it's starting to look like an apple, so you can press F3 and click Shade Smooth. This will smooth the surface. Now to make a leaf, add a plane and scale it up along the x-axis. Now hit Ctrl R to give it a loop cut both vertically and horizontally. Now scale up and down the vertices so that it looks like a leaf. Now select the center vertices and move it up so it curves like a leaf. Adjust the shape accordingly. There is no need that the leaf should be symmetrical. If it's little distorted, that is fine. Now bring the leaf towards the apple stem. Select the end vertex of the leaf and any vertex on the stem and hit M to merge them at last selected. Rename the sphere to apple. Now to give the leaf a little more detail, use the knife tool by pressing K and make a leaf cut. Then select the edges of the leaf and extrude it below to give it more volume. And click F to fill the void. Shade smooth again so it looks more like a leaf. It's a little distorted, but that's fine. Now it's already starting to look like an apple. So now we use UV editing to color the object. I use the Impenzia palette to color the apple. be sure to turn on the texture so you can see the colors. Make the apple red, select the stem, make it brown, then select the leaf and make it green. The apple is complete. Now duplicate the apple few times and turn the red color into any other color. I am choosing green and yellow here so that it looks like a traffic light. Now the apples are ready. Next we start to model a basket. I saw this trick on YouTube Shorts where you use modifier to make a basket. So to model this basket, all we need is a single word. I used a plane and shrink it down to 0 so that only a single vertex remains. Now with apple as a reference, shape the vertex so that it takes a shape of a basket. Once you are satisfied with the shape, add a screw modifier. Get out of edit mode and hit apply. Now create a duplicate of a basket and let it be. That would be the base of our basket. Select the previous basket and hit tab to go back into the edit mode. Now add a subdivision surface modifier to give it more details. Then add a wireframe modifier and then add a simple deform modifier and check that the axis is on Z. You can adjust the angle according to your needs and thickness according to the details you want on your basket. It's already starting to look like a basket. Now get out of edit mode and apply all the modifiers. Now select both the baskets and use Ctrl J to join them in one. The basket is ready and highly detailed. I used the same method I used to color the apple. I gave it a brown wood-like color. Then I tried to adjust the apples so as to get a nice render, but I am very bad at it, so I ended up giving up. But I will show you some of the renders which I made when I was trying to make the icon for my game. I ended up using the final one for my game icon. You can play the game from Play Store. The link will be in the description. Thank you. Bye.